Girl so sweet, and she looking so fine. Got me twisted up, can't get off my mind. Cut the old ties that we left from behind. Old friends in the past, new money we find. Benjamin stacking, that's the only design. Got one on my left and one on my right. Looking both ways, trying to figure what's right. City lights calling and we taking that flight. We don't need no old friends. All we need is new friends and I'm Benjamin. Fill my cup up to the rim. Living life like we gon' win. Double cup, double drinks with Sunday. NYC lights where we headed. She the queen of the street, but she keep it low key. Daddy don't know about the wild side, he don't see. Growing like a baseball, letting our dreams. Big city visions and we building up schemes. Love like stretching and we on the whole floor. Boy, another round, yeah, we ready for more. From the bottom to the top, that's the only report. Evolutions with the flow, now they begging for more. Sipping on ambition in my double cup. Rising to the top, yeah, we coming up. Old friends looking back, but we moving up. New money, new dreams, fill it up, fill it up. Made it out the struggle, now we cutting these racks. Old friends in my life, but I ain't looking back. Transferred to the city, put my town on the map. Young queen in the G, yeah, she leading the pack. Transition in the greatest sense of F5 fat. Money conversations, yeah, we flowing in that. Building them boys, they gotta come my act. Got a minute on the clock, yeah, we only gotta say. We don't need no old friends. All we need is new friends and I'm Benjamin. Fill my cup up to the rim. Living life like we gon' win. Yeah, crazy.